If you visited your local HFO recently, you may have noticed one of these mounted to the control pendant. This is our new wireless phone charger, and it gives you a convenient place to put your phone and charges it at the same time. Just hold your phone in front of the charger and it opens automatically. Then a second later, it'll grab the phone and begin charging it. The case on my Android is a pretty typical thickness, and it starts charging immediately. iPhones with a similar case also charge just fine. If you have a really thick case, that might be an issue. When you're ready to retrieve your phone, just touch right up here momentarily, and then hold your hand out there to catch the phone as it's released. The charger features a suction cup base that will fasten securely to the multitude of flat surfaces on your machine, or your desk, or your toolbox, anywhere else you might need a phone charger. The charger uses USB power and plugs into the USB port on the side of the control pendant. It also works when plugged into the Haas 15-inch monitors that have powered USB ports. You can also power it with a USB power block if needed. These phone chargers are coming standard now on most Haas machines, so your phone is ready to go when you are. Thanks for watching.